And we are back with you, dear viewers, under the auspices of Kuwait Foundation for the Advancement of Science. Women Tech Makers Kuwait organized workshop about web development for the beginners. To discuss this topic, we are pleased to have with us Engineer Suqaiba Salman, IT Project Manager, GDG Kuwait City Co-Organizer. And good morning with you, Engineer Suqaiba.
Yes, hi, good morning, Hiba.
Engineer Suqaiba, good morning. Engineer Suqaiba, really, before we start our conversation with you, I want to know personally, and my colleagues Amal, what's the meaning of your name, Suqaiba? Because this is the first time I hear it, really. Go ahead.
Thank you. My name is Sakiba, and the meaning of my name is star, the shining star.
Wow.
It's already mentioned in Quran.
MashaAllah.
In Surah Safat, you can narrate it as Shahab Saqib. So
Excellent.
that is the meaning.
Excellent, excellent. I think you are a glory, really. You look shiny. And really, you know, this is one of the things we always have our guests really like what we program, sunshine. So our all visitors or interviewing our guests to shine our hearts really with them. So that leads us to a pleasure, my dear. That leads us to a big question which start to tell us about your community and what are your key of achievement, Suqaiba?
Yes, our community is GDGWTM Kuwait, and which is the only Google approved chapter in Kuwait. We provide the visibility, we provide community and resources to the tech women so that it can help them to grow and they can lead. So our purpose is to collect the developers all around the country, and they can share their knowledge specifically to the Google technologies. We have created the positive learning environment in which women can connect, women can share their knowledge, and they can inspire each other, and they realize their talent and spotlight their place in the world of technology. So it's a space for them in a country where they can, every month they can meet and share their knowledge and expertise to other people who want to grow.
Excellent, excellent.
Well, that is a marvelous thing, Engineer Suqaiba. And I know that technology this is the new era of technology, and whoever doesn't know anything about technology really doesn't know anything about anything in life, and that's nowadays what they are telling us.
True.
So what
Totally agree.
Yeah.
Technology is a king nowadays, and everybody is for sure aware of the things. Now you can even take an example of school. Even an LKG person and kid have to be in front of the technology. They have to go or they have to move their life with the technology. You cannot move on without it. So everybody must be aware of it.
Engineer Suqaiba, we always have, there is a situation, Amal, between before and after. Before and after the pandemic situation. So what's your plan really before and after the pandemic situation?
Yeah, we all were set to celebrate the International Women's Day, and that our main host and sponsor is KFAS, who have supported us to deliver this three-phase International Women's Day. This project is supporting the women equality, and this women equality is under the international theme, each for equal. As we know, collectively, each of us are responsible to make this world a gender equal world. So main purpose of this event was to foster the technology in the country by promoting the computing skills and for all the fields, for education, for with any background, or even with the zero tech people, they can come and join this event and get aware of different events sponsored under this project. So we have pitched the idea for 3 events in this International Women's Day. First was the cybersecurity CTF competition. Second one is the web development, Django, and third one is the hackathon competition. I would like to introduce this. Cybersecurity CTF is actually the information security competition, where competents and contestants can find the text hidden behind the server or web pages. And the second one is the web development. Everybody can be trained about creating their own website for their small businesses still long. And anybody from zero background can join, and there is no gender limit. Anybody can join us. Hackathon for Social Good is again a 12-hour competition where any layman can have a chance to sit with the expert person from the organizations, from the technology world, and throughout this 12 hours they can take assistance from these mentors, and they can develop the solution and offer the solution to the great to the NGOs who are working with the environment, and they can offer their solution to these NGOs.
I think
this is a big exposure to the layman, to the new person in the technology, that they have a chance to work with the technology experts.
Excellent.
So, Engineer Suqayba, may I interrupt you a little bit? I have been hearing from you that you did a lot and a lot and a lot. And all of that was before and during the pandemic. And the cyber, as you just said, cyber technology and cyber security, and all of those things are really important to one's life nowadays.
Exactly.
So what changed and what happened when the pandemic really attacked? And how did you manage your program after? I mean, we are now 5 months into the pandemic, and I know that technology and the cyber really rules everything. The online experience is taking place everywhere. Even they are gonna have an online education as a doctor. Yes. So can you tell us the changes?
We opted the same. After this pandemic situation, we never stopped. All these planned events are now, we are moving virtually. We are doing the online sessions. One of the session has been done, like cybersecurity. This competition has March after this pandemic. And 90 people take part in this training. They trained from our community and then participated in the competition, and winners got the valuable prizes as well. This event was very successful, and now we are launching our second event. This is the Django workshop for the web development. This weekend we are launching this every 4 hours. On Saturday we are providing training to the members or everybody who want to join us, and they can develop their own website after joining this workshop. Not only these planned events, in between this pandemic situation, we have conducted many other online activities as well. One of the session, like you can say, introduced by Google for empowering the women, is I Am Remarkable workshop. One of our leading organizers, she conducted this training for 90 minutes and inspired other ladies by her experiences, by her struggle. And it was again a self-promotional and professional growing workshop for the women who wanted to be coming, who wanted to be the part of this tech world. So this 90-minute workshop was valuable for the new people who wanted to come into the technology and do something, who wanted to do something.
Excellent. I think Engineer Sahiba, really, what they're doing really is great, Emil. And that leads us to a question really very important, which is using the software.
So it's not only, you cannot limit yourself with the things you have planned. If something comes, if like this pandemic comes in our life, we did not stop. Our organizers are very proactive. Recently, I have participated in the Google Digital program, where all the experts, all the speakers can share their knowledge, and I have conducted a workshop on project management practices, where you can deliver the project successfully in any field. one of our organizer again, Mr. Rajneesh. He introduced the Android 11 technology to the new person who are new to the Android. And many people participated. There are lots of attendees who show their interest and take part in our workshop.
Engineer Sraiba, Engineer Sraiba, I think you need by yourself as a whole episode, huh? Because you have a lot of things, you have a lot of information. We are so glad in today's episode really to have you as a guest. Thank you for little timing from you really, and I think we're gonna meet each other inshallah.
Thank you for giving us a chance to explain. Thank you very much.
I think we will meet inshallah in another episode of Sunshine program, because there is a lot of things in your bag, like what they said, and we want to get these things from your bag to give it to the viewers. And Amal, I think Engineer Saiba, she gave a lot of